Alright guys, what are we about to do? I'm gonna try to sneeze with my eyes open.
If you sneeze with your eyes open, if you can do a video, probably like you guys won't do it because you guys are like, ugh, gross. Why would you want to like stick a freaking paper towel up your nose and try to sneeze? Well, it's $5, you know. $5 will get you a lot. You can go to Taco Bell and buy you like 4 freaking tacos. Or you can go to Sonic and buy you a drink. So try it. Don't do it in the camera though. So she's gonna try and sneeze with her eyes open. It's hard. I tried doing it and I didn't succeed.
I'm tearing up instead.
Is it working?
I don't know how they did it.
Let me go find some pepper. Sniff pepper. Here's the pepper.
I'm tearing up instead.
Where the fuck is the pepper? Sniff it! So she's gonna sniff pepper. Sneeze it. Sniff it in front of the camera. It's okay. Sniff it like really hard.
I suck at this. It's making me tear up. Oh, my eyeliner.
I can't do it.
I can't either. I'm sorry. I don't feel like sneezing right now.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Oh.
Are you still trying?
Oh, my nose. I'm sorry, I can't do it. It's just killing my nose even more. Huh. Oh God.
Did you do it?
No. Okay. I hope someone tried it because I couldn't try it. And this is the next thing we're gonna do tomorrow during lunchtime and staff. Get someone to sneeze with their eyes open. I wonder if anyone can do it during staff.
Hopefully.
This Fudger haven't replied. Tell your babushki I said hi. Or Miguel.
No, it wasn't Miguel. It was him. He just said Miguel is in there. I was like, am I talking to Miguel?
Love ya. Say bye-bye, Jessy. We'll look for more topics later on. Bye.